Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on JABRA Elite Active 7 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now you might want to do this if you're having issues with the earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or only out of the right ear, or any kind of troubleshooting issues you might be having with the earbuds. A hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. You'll just need to set them back up because this will have them delete all the paired devices and everything like that. But if you'd like to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. It's very easy. All you need to do is put the earbuds in the charging case as shown here with the case open, making sure you have sufficient charge on your earbuds for the reset. Once we're going to do that, we're going to just come in here and we're going to press and hold the back button simultaneously on both earbuds for 10 seconds. And we'll just continue to hold that until these lights flash purple on each of the earbuds. And once that happens, we can let go, close the case, leave the case closed for 5 seconds, open it back up, and then we can take the earbuds out and they will be reset and we can repair them with whatever device we like.